Hey everybody, hey, it's Lee, Godbold, Junk Removal Authority, where we help junk removal business owners make more money and live a better life. We also help you protect yourself, protect your business, protect the time and the money you've invested into your company. Vehicles, driving, team members, young team members driving, one of the highest levels of exposure you're gonna have in your junk removal company. If you're like me, you started out on your own, you were on the truck, and hopefully you get to the point where it's time to hire employees. You're very nervous about getting employees out onto the road because what if something happens? And a lot of times, if you're like me and you're younger, you didn't think about the liability and how everything you built up could all come crashing down without, if a driver, a young driver, or a driver in particular makes an egregious or makes a bad mistake that winds up hurting somebody or killing somebody, just damaging a lot of stuff. Insurance goes way up. You might exceed the amount of insurance you have. It could, if most people die, it could exceed the amount of insurance you have. They come after you. They take everything you have. They take your business. They shut you down. They don't want to rewrite an insurance policy. The insurance gets so expensive, there's no way your business can survive. So it's very, very important to make sure your drivers are trained well and also that they're supervised. One of the hard things about owning a business where you have drivers on the road is you can't physically be in the vehicle with them, making sure that they're doing what they're supposed to. And you can't physically have a general manager in every single vehicle, but you can if you have proper telematics, a camera system and proper telematics. Now, gone are the old days of just straight up dash cams. Nowadays, there are artificial intelligence that monitors driver behavior, can score driver behavior, and send reports over to you and show events on what exactly is going on in that vehicle. So if somebody's texting and driving and they get in a wreck, you can be held liable for that. They can also pierce the corporate veil potentially and come after you and everything that you have. So this is an absolute must. For those of you guys getting employees for the first time, or if you already have employees, just the other day, we were talking to somebody who their guys were in 3 accidents within a year. We had a similar occurrence several years ago before we had telematics, 3 accidents in a year. We installed telematics. We started monitoring driver behavior and things really, really improved. So on February 22nd at 3:00 p.m., we are doing a webinar with the fine folks from Spireon and Solera, as well as Toby Stubbs from Wisdom Insurance Agency. And we're going to be covering Advanced Vehicle Telematics. The fine folks at Spireon have a great deal going on. Matter of fact, their stuff is pretty inexpensive. It's crazy how inexpensive their stuff is. They've actually got a deal going on for webinar attendees also, free installation on stuff. But it's going to be a lot of great information. You're going to tune in. You're going to find out, hey, where are my areas of exposure as a junk removal business owner? How can I protect myself from it? And then we're going to talk about how the telematics from Solera and Spireon can really, really, really help benefit your business. So they are a new partner here with us at JRA. We've got 6 systems on our vehicles, and we've got other people that are starting to use them. We've in the past have used another company, and the app and the interface, it interfaces with fuel cards, it interfaces with vehicle maintenance. It's got some nifty stuff to detect fraud around fuel spend. There's like so much neat stuff this does to help you run your business better, and it's all pretty daggone inexpensive. And if you attend the webinar, we get an even better deal. So it's February 22nd at 3:00 p.m. We only endorse companies that we believe in, that we personally use. Looking forward to seeing you February 22nd at 3:00. Hey guys, I almost forgot. Click the link to sign up for the webinar. All right, see y'all.